Hello everyone, this is Michael Covington, author of Astrophotography for the Amateur and other books, and in this hastily made video I want to show you how to make a safe projector for viewing a partial eclipse of the sun out of two paper plates or scraps of cardboard or anything like that, maybe index cards. You'll need to make a hole or a few holes in one of them. The holes can be anywhere from a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch and need not be round. You can just punch them with a pencil. I suggest trying holes of several different sizes. Then what you're going to do is hold the two paper plates so that the shadow of the one with the holes falls on the other one. Hold them several feet apart. You can put the lower one on the ground if you'd like. And you will see spots of light that show you the shape of the sun, round when it's not eclipsed, crescent-like when it is. Even if the holes are not round, you get round or crescent-shaped spots of light, and that's an interesting thing to think about. So there you have it. That's all there is to it. Enjoy the eclipse.